Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Plug the phone into the PC with a known good data cable and a powered USB port. Once connected, unlock the phone screen and watch for the USB notification. You may need to swipe down to open it. Make sure the phone shows a connection type option: charging, file transfer, MTP, photo, PTP, or MIDI. Select File Transfer, MTP, to access media and folders. If prompted, allow the PC to access device data and trust this computer so permissions persist. Once you set the phone to File Transfer mode, open File Explorer on Windows or Finder on Mac. The device appears as a removable drive or under Locations. Navigate internal storage and the DSIM folder to copy photos or create folders for documents. Drag and drop files to transfer or use copy-paste for large batches. If the phone uses media indexing, wait a moment for folders to populate. For apps requiring USB debugging, confirm developer dialogues and accept the computer RSA key so ADB or similar tools can communicate. After transfers finish, safely eject the device from the PC to prevent corruption. Use the eject icon or right-click and choose Eject. If the phone is not recognized, disconnect and try a different cable or port, then reboot both devices and re-enable file transfer mode. Make sure phone drivers are installed on Windows or that iTunes/Finder is updated for iPhone. One key troubleshooting tip: replace the cable with a certified data cable first. Most connection issues trace back to cheap charging-only cables or faulty connectors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.